Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Your engine is the heart of your bike. Don't let one bad drop ruin your ride. The Wunderlich Engine Protection Covers are a lightweight, high-tech barrier designed to defend your alternator and clutch from impact, trail hazards, and tip-overs. These aren't just any covers. They're built from impact-resistant plastic with integrated silicone elastomer inserts, absorbing shocks and sealing out dirt and moisture. Whether you're off-roading or navigating city streets, they've got your vulnerable engine components covered, literally. But protection does not come at the cost of style. Each cover is shaped with precision to match the contours of your engine and distribute mechanical stress evenly, reducing the risk of cracks or fractures in the event of a fall. And yes, the BMW logo stays visible front and center. Installation is DIY friendly. With the included mounting kit, you'll be geared up in minutes. No complicated mods required. Built to take a hit, designed to blend in, and crafted specifically for your BMW F-Series. The Wunderlich Engine Protection Covers give you peace of mind, no matter where the road or trail takes you. Ride smarter, ride protected. Shop now at wunderlichamerica.com and check out the rest of our German-engineered upgrades while you're there. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other gear guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.